I lost one of my lashes. Can you help me look for it, please? Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I got this colorful look. I was in the mood for liner and lashes, and I feel like I haven't been in the mood for liner and lashes in a really long time, so I just wanted to sit down, take my time, and play around with some makeup for you guys. I actually ended up reaching for this palette. This is the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 Morphe palette. I have loved this palette since I got my hands on it. It is just such a beautiful, beautiful palette, very pigmented, just so bright, so colorful, and literally just so pretty. So pretty. So if you want to see how I got this look and what shadows I used and pretty much everything else, because I do give you guys a breakdown, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I did leave some baking powder on my face. I'm not sure if there's going to be fallout, so I just wanted to be safe. So we are going in with the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 Morphe palette. This palette is so pretty, and I haven't reached for it in a really long time, but look how pretty these shadows are. This palette works and blends so nicely. So I think we're gonna start off with a little bit of Perfectionist right here. I'm just going to work this into the crease. So I think I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is Tipsy Girl, taking a very small amount. And I'm just going to run this also in my crease. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is Stay True. And I'm going to keep this color on the outer V. That's a lot more pigmented than I was expecting. Okay, so now I'm cleaning off that brush, and I think I'm gonna go back in with a little bit of Perfectionist just to blend it out just a little, since it did get a little messy. But I'm just focusing right over here where it was very harsh. So now I think I'm gonna go in with this darker purple right here, this color right here. Taking a very small amount, and I just want to tap this right in this little fold right here. I'm just stamping. So I really hope you guys can see where I'm placing this. I'm just stamping it right where my eye is folding, and I'm just kind of just pushing this product in. So it gives it a little bit of depth without doing too much. And what's ever left over, I'm just bringing it in more into the center. So we're going to go in with Bougie, and I'm just taking a nice little flat brush. And I'm going to tap this onto my lid. And I'm stopping just in the center. Actually, I'm just going to bring it all over. But I'm just lightly going over this purple. So now I'm going to take a little bit of this shade right here, and it's Empowered very, very small amount. And I'm gonna tap this, the center, and just bring it back, but not covering the purple. So I'm just stamping this on. So I put a little too much purple, so I'm going back in with a tiny bit of Bougie and just soften it a little bit. So I'm going to go in with I'm In It, and I'm going to add this into my inner tear duct. I'm going to pop a little bit of this shade right here, which is Ride or Diamonds. And I'm just going to tap that in the center. I don't think it's picking up. Okay, let me take a smaller brush. There we go. Taking Certified, I'm just going to add a small amount of this right in the brow bone. Not too much. Taking that same fluffy brush, I'm just going to lightly blend so there's no harsh lines. And just pull out just a little. I'm gonna go in with Tipsy Girl, and I'm gonna run this on the lower lash line. I think I'm going to add a little bit of Next right here, which is this burgundy shade. And I'm just going to add this right back here and let it connect to the top. Okay, I'm going to dust off this bake. I'm going to add a little bit of eyeliner. So now I'm going to go back in with this palette, and I'm going to take the black right here, and I'm going to add this into my inner tear duct. I'm going to add this Colourpop Cream Gel Liner and Get Paid in my waterline. I lost my lash. All right, let me put the one on, and let me see if I can find where the other one went. I'm using Salon Perfect in 614s. Okay, that's on. I will be right back trying to find my other lash. Make sure it's not on. Hi honey, I lost one of my lashes. Can you help me look for it, please? Thank you. Okay, all is good. Found our lash. Okay, so I'm going to contour my nose a little more using my Hoola bronzer. I'm also going to contour my lips a little. I'm going to also contour the rest of my face. And I'm going to go in with a big brush. We're going to go in with the middle bronzing shade. I'm going in with a very tiny amount of the deepest shade, and I'm just going to stamp it right in the back. I'm just pushing it in. And we're going to go back in with my Shade and Light palette, and I'm going to take a little bit of this peach shade right here, and I'm just going to brighten right here. See the difference it made? And whatever left over on my brush, I'm just adding my forehead, a little right here. I'm just brightening up the center of my face. I'm going to add a little mascara to the lower lashes, and then we're going to do some blush and highlighter, and then finish off with the lips. Okay, so I'm going in, wait, I have to find a blush brush. It's not a blush brush. Wait, so I'm going to go in with this Anastasia Peachy Love Blush Trio. I'm going to use all 3 shades. Okay, so I'm taking this trio and I'm just adding it right on my cheeks, but I'm keeping it away from the apples of my cheek. So I'm just keeping this right back here and working its way up and stopping right over here. Okay, so now I'm going in with Kylie's Baddie on the Block. And this is what it looks like, taking just a little bit, and I'm just going to add it right on top. And I'm just adding a tiny bit of this pink right closer to the apples, but not exactly on. I don't think I explained that well, but you guys see what I'm doing. So I'm adding just a little bit here, and then whatever's left over on the brush, I'm just gently bringing in just a little and bringing it up. I'm going to add just a little on my nose, just right here. Okay, so now I'm going to add a little of this Ars Couture Illuminati highlighter. And I'm just going to start off with adding a very tiny amount using a very small brush on the tip of my nose. Just like a I'm just going to add whatever's left over on my brush right here. Just going in with that same brush that I used to dust off the bake. I'm just going to take a very small amount. Oh, not a small amount. Okay. I just wanted a little bit. So I'm going to try to blend this. Okay, so as you can see, I just want a little bit of a sheen. I don't want a really harsh highlight. I just want my skin to look like it's glowing. So this is the completed look. For my lips, I went with Morphe's Sweet Tea lip liner, then NYX's Soft Matte Lip Cream in Cape Town. Then I added a very small amount of my Colourpop Sailor Moon Ultra Blotted Lip in Usagi just in the center, blended everything out with my fingers, and then strategically placed my Dominique Cosmetics Strawberry Lemonade Lip Gloss just pretty much right in the center. And that's pretty much it. But I really, really hope you guys enjoyed this look, this tutorial. I had a lot of fun creating. I haven't really sat down and played with makeup and done liner and lashes, so I just really like the way everything turned out. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.